Hi, welcome to Doris. In case if you're new here, my name is Doris. So we are going to be looking at my 2025 cash-all planner. A cash-all planner is where you write everything out, and then you have separate planner for a specific thing. So this is going to be my cash-all planner, and this right here, this is going to be my school planner for my nursing school. So I'm going to write everything in here, and then each individual planner have their own thing. I know it's kind of productive because it seems like you have a lot of planner, but I promise you it works great and it's not overwhelming. Especially me being minimalistic, it's not overwhelming at all. It just works for me. If I try to cram everything in here, it just don't work and it get too cluttered, and then I start having a panic attack. So this right here, this is my last year 2024 cash planner that I have. And this is a blank page. I went in and to find out which page I didn't do, but this is what my monthly overview looked like for the 2024. And then we open it up, in the back, it just have my monthly overview. So what I'm doing for that whole month. And then, let me see, I have a blank weekly in the back right here. There you go. And then this is what my weekly look like. It goes from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. and it have half an hour increments. And then I have a side up here from note, and then I have focus on this week. That is what my 2024 cash planner looked like. And it's worked great, but I couldn't put my school stuff in here, my Bible study in here, just because I would come in here for a lot of things and it was a little bit cluttered. So I was putting a line in here and things like that. And whenever I start nursing school, with all my stuff going on with my kids, I'm not going to be able to fit it in here. So that's what it's good to have a separate planner. So now for 2025, this is the difference with this planner. As you can see, this is a little bit bigger than the classic size. I was having issue finding the right percentage to print it down. This is a classic size from the Happy Planner right here. And this right here is the size I actually got it down to. So this is the perfect size for that. And this is just a little bit bigger. But I'm just going to cut it down later to fit it in there because this is just my personal. It doesn't bother me as much. But since I'm going to be listing this on Etsy, I had to find the right size. That's what I just kept printing, and I printed 5 of these different covers. You see up here? Sorry, I printed 5 of these trying to get the right percentage, and this is the right one. So if you do order, it's going to be in the right size. So this is what my month at a glance look like. I have at the glance, I'm going to write a month up here, and whatever is going on I need to do, it's going to be up here. Just jot a note down. I just have it, I left it blank, where my previous 2024, it had in the middle to accomplish. That means that's something I had to write down I was trying to accomplish. Well, I decided to leave all of this blank. That way, whatever is happening that month I need to focus on, that's going on, I can write it in here. And then we move over to the next section. It just have my monthly view, which has, this is the front of the planner. I forgot to show y'all. And this is the back of the planner. So my monthly view just goes from Sunday to Saturday, like with all my planner. Sunday to Saturday, like all my planner, I like my planner to go with Sunday, Saturday. And then the difference between the previous year and this year is that the 30-minute increment in the note section is a little bit darker than the previous one. And I have a better printer now, so it prints stuff out way better. That is the only difference up here with this layout. And then you just go and it just repeats itself. Okay. And that is, let me see right here. And then this is the other difference from my 2024 planner to my 2025 is that in the back, instead of just having a blank page, I put notes and doodles on there just to help me write whatever notes come to mind throughout the month. And I've been having a lot of sticky note in my online planners to write stuff down. So I decided to utilize this to remind me, hey, you can do and write notes up here. But that is all for my 2025 cash-up planner. If you have any suggestion or if you need a copy of this PDF or anything like that, comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.